may kaset ako ng ano, I Like You.
Oo,
nice.
Pinatatanungan na daw vital statistics.
Ba yan? Di ko na-check eh.
Pero 49, Jen? 49?
49.
Wow.
Magaling. Well, Sam Shove, I like him because he's very, very talented. Hindi dahil pamangkin siya ni Jeff, pero inaanak ko rin siya. And he will be one of my special guests. He will be singing like a medley of Gen Z medley, like a Gen Z songs with me. I believe that he dances well, he sings very well. And sa babae, sino pa ba? Well, I love Beanie. Yung Beanie, paborito yan ng 11-year. Meron akong anak, si London. Her name is London Lee. And she told me that she wants to become like me. She wants to become a pop star, but she wants to start in a group. And favorite name Beanie. And she really admires me and wants to become like me. And that's why, kung parents din kayo, maintindihan nyo yung responsibility na kapag gustong-gusto kayo ng anak ninyo, napakahirap. That's why I'm very, very careful also. Kumbaga, para maging magandang example para sa kanya. Kasi si Heaven is 29 years old, my son. He's 29, he has a girlfriend. Maybe I'll have a grandson or granddaughter soon, but I'm really excited. But with London, iba pala pag babae yung anak. And babae ka rin. So yun.
So, baka na maging lola.
Handa na ako. Oo. Gusto ko yung word na Lola. Hey Lola. Lola Jen, Geneva. I love that. I'm not afraid to become a Lola. I think my mom usually, my mom who passed away 3 years ago, told me na iba yung pagiging Lola sa pagiging nanay. Mas nakaka-inlove daw ang mga apo. Kaya ako naman excited din ako. And so yeah, handang-handa na.
Thank you.
Thank you. It is the best version of Jen because I am physically stronger. Mas alam ko na yung purpose ko. Mas alam ko na kaya ko mag-isa. Mas alam ko na mas kaya ko magmahal. And yung mga nangyayari before, iba yun. It was with different people, and now this is me. We have to focus on the now instead of crying about our past. And every day I wake up, I'm grateful. And sometimes I wake up and I go, oh no, kinakabahan ako malapit na yung show. Or oh no, what if something happens? What if something I want does not happen? Di ba yun ang lagi natin naisip eh? Masyado na tayo nag-focus sa future, kaya nagiging anxious tayo about the now. So that's what I'm trying to change. All I know is that physically, I am my strongest. And yun, nalaman ko na pag grateful ka, mas lalong dumadami yung things to be grateful for. So, yun. Thank you, Jen.
Mas importante yung ma-in-love ka lang for the sake of ma-in-love ka. But if you are experiencing it, yung authentic love ba, yung talagang binibigay din sa'yo, and yung binibigay mo, it's wonderful. I think that pag ganun yung klase ng love, you can do anything, almost anything, and you'll be happier. So I wish that for everyone.
But how did you guys meet ng boyfriend? Nakita ko sa Instagram.
Yeah, 2022.
Pero how young?
He's younger than me, yeah, but seriously, it doesn't
Nasa
matter.
20s ba siya?
No.
Pero sobrang young ng look.
No, he's not. It doesn't matter really yung age. And napansin ko rin na it's really, wala sa edad eh. Because I can fall for someone older than me. My first boyfriend, I mean,
I know.
he was 5 years older than me. And
Yes.
it really didn't matter to me. So, ang importante is that aligned kayo and that, pero kayo ng mga gusto and values. Yun ang very important.
Yan, paano nga kayo nag-meet? Noong 2020?
No, noong 2022. I met him because some of his friends are my friends. And then, yeah.
Okay. So the same circle of
Yeah.
friends. Okay. So, ano agad yun? Nag-spark agad?
2022 yun. 2022.
Love at first sight ba ito or hindi?
I don't believe in love at first sight. I think what's more important is the friendship that we had in 2022, and then when we reconnected in 2024, it just grew. You know, it wasn't a fast thing. It was a very slow burn type of love, which is I like better. Kasi mas sanay ako before sa parang nagmamadali, di ba? Lagi
Okay. I
alam mo
know.
yun? So para iba eh. Iba kasi siyang klaseng tao rin. Mas slow burn, mas alam mo yun, yung mas alam niya kung ano yung gusto niya. And that made me also know kung ano yung gusto ko sa buhay. Kasi you really have to know what you want.
Okay.
Kung anong klaseng tao yung gusto mo makasama, kung pareho ba kayo ng values, kung may friendship ba, di ba? Kasi mas importante yung parang best friends din kayo.
Okay, pero ano ba to? Traditional na? Nagkaroon ng traditional courtship? Or...
Yeah, it was like
talaga?
that. It
So,
was
ganun
like,
din yung
of course
process.
it was like that.
Pero what do you feel nung time na yon na not the time na,
No,
na may nanliligaw na yung ganun pa
He's a very intelligent man. So, sa akin kasi, ang pinaka-importante sa akin is yung mabait, tsaka alam mo yung may napapag-usapan kayo.
Okay, so anything under the sun, may topic
Kasi
kayo.
at the end of the day, pag ito namang panglabas na kanyang wala rin yan eh, di ba? So, importante yung nasa loob talaga. So, if we can make that grow, di ba, then better, di ba? So much better. So, yeah.
Pero John, how do you feel na pag nakikita yung video or picture niyo? Nagbe-blend kayo? Kumbaga,
You know what?
kumbaga bata ang itsura mo.
I'm at an age where I really, as long as masaya ako, wala akong sinasaktan na tao, I don't really mind anymore what other people say, and I wish them a love that's real, a love that's true, and somehow, inalagaan ko rin may sarili ko, and self-love is the best love talaga, and tandaan nyo, yung edad is it's just a number, diba? And hindi ko ipagpapalit yung edad ko ngayon sa when I was in my 20s and 30s. Kasi
Pero hindi ka nagbago
naligaw ako nung mga panahon na yun eh. I didn't know who I was, I didn't know myself.
Yes.
Now that I'm older, mas buo na ako.
You're
So,
older
yun ang
pero
pinaka-importante.
hindi nagbago ang
I
look mo
think,
kasi.
I think yung importante yung puso na laging malinis, and I mean well for other people, diba? Yun yung pinaka-importante.
Anong reaction nila ni Heaven?
Oh yeah, he's very supportive. He's very supportive. My son does jiu-jitsu as well in the States.
Oo.
So, in London, of course, he's able to spend time with Dean all the time. Yeah, he's really a good man, so I'm just really proud of him.
Anyway, Jen, gaano karaming songs, gaano karaming production numbers,
For this?
gaano karaming costume changes ang gagawin?
Yeah, doon ako kinakabahan kasi medyo maraming costume changes and yung dance, marami rin.
Marami, more-
And alam natin, madali na
Mga around 10
mag-live
or-
singing. Yeah.
Talaga.
So, all in all, meron akong 18 songs and most of them are medleys. So, at least I know my audience will enjoy a 2-hour show or more.
So yung audience mo, Jen, hindi lang yung mga kasabayan namin, kundi younger generation ng audience.
Kaya nga, all the more na may responsibility ako to make this concert really well. Really, really good.
Pa-invite na lang sila.
Hello sa inyong lahat. Minimitahan ko kayo sa Music Museum May 30, 8 p.m. You can get the tickets sa Ticket World. Online po yan. And sana po makita mo kayo doon sa my Believe Cruz Gen Evolution concert. See you there!
Thank you.